Make an airplane with 2 wheels and foldable wings.
Well,
I'm not convinced. I'm not positive the wings help you out at all on this. I don't really remember. Yeah, we actually got a jet bike, Mage Destroyer. Wings, sails, engines, nothing else. Okay. There you go, chat. The Chatmobile. Wings, sails, engines, and nothing else. Chat's vehicle design skills in a nutshell. Don't even know where it is, so let's summon it in. And here we have a demonstration of Chat's vehicle design skills. The wings, sails, engines, and nothing else mobile does, well, nothing really. Because it doesn't have a seat, or any propulsion, or any fuel, or any way to get down the ramp, or any way to really do anything other than appease the Chad. Bask in it, for it is mighty. I would deploy the wings, but there's not a button to do that, so, wings, sails, engines, nothing else. Banjo likes it. Banjo stands ready.